Alrighty, guys. Happy Monday. Hope you're all crushing it out there. I have my double espresso on deck, and you already know I'm pumped for this week. We have a lot to cover in this video, from charts to stocks to what to look out for this week. But first, guys, of course, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moo. Listen to this, guys. Once you open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that is a no-brainer. So if you want some free stocks and a $30 cash reward, check out that link down below in the comments or in the description box, or just go to stockssurefest.com/moo. Get your money, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So it's about 11:30, 12 p.m. right now on the East Coast, so we're almost halfway through the day, and guys, stocks are moving, and they're moving in the right direction. The S&P 500 is currently up 0.4%. The NASDAQ, looking here at Triple Q, is up around 0.25%, as the Russell is leading the gains by far, up 1.6%, and the Dow's up around, 0.6%. So we're up all across the board. The VIX is down almost 4%. And it looks like here the metals aren't doing much. Gold's at break even. Silver's up about 0.25%. All right. But yeah, pretty much, guys, we're up across the board, which is a really good sign overall for the bulls heading into this week, which it's a big week, man, for earnings, for stocks in general. We're getting a bunch of economic reports. That's going to be big as well. So we're starting off the week on a strong note. You guys can see the Dow is, trying to bounce back over the mid 42,000s. SPY looks like it's holding, right around where it was on Friday, trying to break out of this range that it's been in the low mid 580s. It's been struggling there. Triple Q, if I pull this up again, we're fighting to get back over 500. So let's see, man. Let's see. We're going to start getting those earnings today, but a bulk of the big companies are on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that's going to be a big, 3-day stretch for the overall stock market. And before we get deep into these charts, stocks I'm looking at, and so forth, let me show you guys what to watch out for in terms of economic reports this week. Let me pull this up and show you all what at least I'm looking out for. By the way, guys, run those likes up, man. Let's get those likes up. Let's get the subscribers up as well. We're trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't know if it's possible, but it's worth a shot. We might as well do it. So on Tuesday, tomorrow in the morning, that's 8:30 p.m. That's for Australia. Never mind. In the morning here in the United States, guys, we're getting the JOLTS job openings at 10 a.m. It looks like here. That's tomorrow, Tuesday. We're also getting the CB Consumer Confidence Report, so keep your eyes on that. But what I'm most excited about, I guess on Wednesday, we also have the advanced GDP. That's exciting, but not what I'm most excited about. But that is worth looking at. The advanced GDP quarter over quarter, 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday. Also 8:15 a.m. on Wednesday, we have the ADP, non-farm employment change. That's going to be very big. That's the estimated change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry and government. That is very big. Let me say that one more time. The estimated change in the number of employed people during the previous month. So that is projected at 101,000. Last month, it was 143,000. So keep that in mind Wednesday morning. And then Thursday morning, we're going to get the unemployment claims, which is huge. We get that every Thursday. We're going to see how many people filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. And then on Friday, guys, get ready, the non-farm employment change and the unemployment rate. We're going to get that for October this Friday, which the unemployment rate is projected at 4.1%. It was at 4.1% last go around, and the non-farm employment change 111,000 versus 254,000 last time they reported that number, which I feel like they just reported that number. Time flies, I guess. Now we're about to get it again for October. So yeah, pretty jam-packed week when it comes to just economic reports in general, on top of the earnings, which, to be honest, guys, with all these earnings coming out, they're probably going to overshadow these economic reports. That's the reality. More people are going to watch for the earnings, what the big tech companies are doing, as opposed to, what the non-farm employment change is. But it's still obviously worth looking at. People are still going to pay attention, but all eyes are on earnings this week, right? We all know that. So, yeah, that is pretty much what you guys need to watch out for. Now, for movers on my watch list, guys, we have DJT moving up yet again, which is not surprising as we're getting closer and closer to the election. Trump media is up 20% on the day, guys. It's at $46 per share after being at $11 per share about a month ago. Man, talk about a multi-bagger in just about 4 weeks. It's unbelievable. And would I touch it now? No, I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. Who knows? This could cut in half for all we know. But if you're already in it, you're locking in profits, you're making money, kudos to you. That's awesome. But I'm personally not in DJT or OKLO, which is up another 24%. Man, this is unreal, guys. OKLO or OKLO, whatever you want to call it, is moving yet again, which this stock got put on my radar a couple months ago. And man, I wish I just blindly bought it. I never do that, obviously, which, maybe I should have in this case. But yeah, it was at like $8 when I first started watching it, maybe less. And now we're pushing over $23 per share. So OKLO, watch out for this one. The momentum is still there. Same with DJT. And JD.com is very important to keep your eyes on as well. This stock went on a heater, complete rampage from looks like the middle of September all throughout the end of September. It went up from $26 to $47 per share. Then, not a surprise to me, it cooled off down to about $38, so it lost about $10 per share, 21%. And now it looks like we're continuing the breakout. We're bouncing off the 180 SMA, popping over the 50 moving average. We're up over 4% on the day right now. So keep your eyes on JD.com, ticker symbol JD, for a potential continuation play. It looks like kind of that is what's going on here, right, guys? So those are some stocks I'm watching. That's a breakdown on what you guys should watch on the economic reports and overall how the markets are starting off this wonderful Monday. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. By the way, let me know where you're watching this video from. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And shout out to everybody that's joined the Patreon. I appreciate all of your support. As always, I'm building out my private portfolio, buying stocks, and putting in money every single week. Every move you guys can see on the Patreon. There's also a Discord. I post my charts and ideas throughout the week, and you get more access to me throughout the week on Patreon. So if you guys are interested, you want to join, get some value, and support the channel a bit further, check out the link down below or go to StockSurfest.com/Patreon. I'll see you guys on the inside. And with that being said, peace out.